Okay, good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending today's Zoom meeting. Today's agenda is to explain the campaign that we will collaborate with. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Tabitha Amalia as a Senior Brand Executive at H&M. I, along with my colleagues today, are welcome to introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you. My name is Sabrina Nur Akila. As marketing specialist in our department, I hope our corporation can run smoothly.
Next is the introduction of the company that will work with us. Time is yours.
Thank you very much for the time given. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Gulam Zaki Dewanto, as Assistant Brand Manager of YG Entertainment. I'm today to my colleagues. Time is yours.
Thank you in advance. My name is Bintang Duyutami. As a marketing specialist from our company, I hope we can work well together.
Thank you, Bintang. Next to my other colleagues, introduce yourself.
Thank you. My name is Cynthia Pasewati as a product marketer of our company. I hope today meeting goes well.
Okay, very nice to meet you today. I'm a representative from H&M. I want to explain first about our company profile. H&M or Hans and Moritz AB is a multinational company that produces clothing lines. Our giant fashion brand comes from Sweden. Our company produces various kinds of clothing products. With that, we want to create a joint work by appointing Blackpink as our brand ambassador. We have this
Thank you for the introduction. We from YG Entertainment would also like to introduce our brief profile. YG Entertainment is one of the biggest entertainment companies in South Korea, which our company house have many of South Korea's top girl groups and boy groups. Among of them are Big Bang, Winner, iKON, Blackpink, and Treasure. By holding this collaboration, it will undoubtedly create a new breakthrough, an authentic genre, and what is most expected is the achievement of a common goal.
Thank you very much for the brief introduction to your company. Next, we get to the core of today's meeting, which will be explained by my colleague.
Okay, thank you. As explained earlier that we want to establish a corporation through our product. The product we will transport is a women's summer collection 2022 with the following color palette. This collection are the most ideal outfits for now with a summer season because these are clothes that are really comfortable to wear and also have a colorful impression that still makes you look cheerful. Considering the popularity of your company's girl group, Blackpink, we are also interested in inviting a collaboration which will later be named H&M x Blackpink.
Thank you for conveying the meaning of our meeting today. So from here, I intend to get a response to your company's interest in our offer.
Thank you for the very interesting presentation. Here I have permission to ask first is what are the consequences of what happens if there is a technical error? What regulations will be set and how will they be resolved?
Thank you for the question. Of course, in business, there must be problems. The consequences that can occur if there is a technical error, of course, create a lot of losses. For example, for time management. Time management is very important because it requires a number of skills, tools, and techniques used in managing time to complete a task or project with a predetermined time frame. We have also made a list for all the work so that everything goes smoothly. We also maintain communication between members to avoid miscommunication. We already have a thorough preparation in case something bad might happen.
Okay. Information to us. What are the most important considerations in determining the marketing strategy for your company product? What should be considered in the marketing process?
Okay, thank you for the question. The most important thing in marketing according to our company this time is the determination of the target market. The target market strategy that we will use is differentiated marketing. We will define our target market to youth age 14 until 18 years and adult 19 until 24 years because there are so many teenagers who are interested in Korean culture in terms of appearance and behavior. Therefore, we specialize this product on them. It is also possible for people who want to buy it even though they are not fans of Blackpink.
Okay, thank you for answering the question from my colleagues. Here, I also want to ask, what is the responsibility of H&M to Blackpink if there is a product that is not liked by the customer and then it affects to Blackpink career? If the situation worsen, will H&M be able to handle all the problems that occur later?
Okay, thank you for the question. Of course, we will always maintain the good name of all things involved. Don't expect bad things to happen. We are quick to quickly deal with all problems that will be faced later. Planning always so not always satisfied with all the services they get.
Thank you for all the answers that have been given. I can conclude from your answer that your company has prepared it carefully, but please provide something that can convince us once again so we can consider it. Why so we accept this offer?
Back to the previous statement, that with the collaboration that we will do and the fact that Blackpink is popular at this time. Of course, your company will get good income and more benefit from this offer. Teenagers will be interested to know more about Blackpink. And of course, our offer also includes a promotion to future introduce Blackpink to the outside world.
Okay, thanks for the answer. Then, what about the business offering that we will apply to this collaboration?
Our company will offer 40% in donation for this product. If your company is willing to accept the offer we offer.
Our company is very interested in your company's offer, but we intend to make a request of about, and it seems that is the right offer for your company.
Our company never sells low quality goods, so we think 50% is better because we have adjusted to the quality of the goods.
All right, we were interested in your company last offer.
Well, we are very grateful for your cooperation. Hopefully, with this, we can strengthen our cooperation with your company. And thank you for trusting our company.
Thank you also for offering this cooperation to our company. Glad to have worked together.
All right, with this, I end our meeting today. Thank you to everyone who has taken the time to cooperate with our company.
My pleasure.